I've got to catch a flight.
Okay. Mr. Williams, what you said about return on Peter Summer, Capital Intel, we're a competitor with Bloomberg Business News.
Okay.
So we're special.
I'm going down so you can walk with you, but
we're specialized in early growth markets and high return on investment. What you're saying before about, the return on investment in your the assets you manage. African American businesses tend to perform higher than other businesses. I've seen double-digit return on investment.
Okay.
Are you seeing that? I mean, you're saying today you see some very good return on investment and where you're investing in that.
Well, all right. Now we have two things. We have fixed income investing and high quality securities, which is very low return. Yeah. And then we have the investment in our own business in terms of the people, the resources, and pursuing new business lines. Yeah. So the higher return is on entering new business lines, by hiring the right team of people to help us perform in those areas.
So you're doing some M&A, acquisition finance?
M&A advisory. We just brought on a team of people to do that. We bring in additional traders in our firm, additional salespeople. So that's investing in ourselves as a financial services company, not so much the return on high quality securities is very low given the level of interest rates.
You said something very, I thought, amusing about Goldman Sachs. They gave you about $1 billion to manage, but they asked you to go to Maxine Waters to have her give a good word.
It's part of, I think what's positive about that is, here it is, you had a company that was getting unfavorable press, yet at the same time they looked at business opportunities. They were the only firm of everyone on Wall Street who was willing to say, can we work with you? Yeah. But then they said, but then they're also smart enough to say, and you have relationships. Let's make this work for both parties. To me, that's why they're so successful. Because they were smart enough to look at what worked for both parties. Yeah. And because obviously, as I said, Maxine Waters was one of the more vocal, the most vocal of the people talking about Wall Street or whomever, and most effective.
And she may, in fact, you're one of the smartest people in the room, in the country, because she may be the next chairman of the House Financial Services Committee. So we should see Jamie Dimon, Corbett.
I think everyone would want to have relationships with them. And so with my organization, I want to make sure that we have our reputation as burnished as possible. Yeah. So why wouldn't I ask someone, I can, if you have access to this person, can you help me? If I do something good for you, will you at least make sure that that person knows and recognizes it? So if it came off as a bad thing, it's actually a smart thing.
It's Wall Street, right?
It's a smart thing from a business. It's business, any business.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.